What's going on, guys? So we just finished up the Balladesports dual piston caliper set install on my AP1. As you can see here, anodized red caliper set with Desmond Master pairs beautifully. I love it. It looks dope. It's a dope color combo. So the install went pretty well. Took about a couple hours to do with bleeding the whole brake system and everything. The tools needed, there's a few tools on the ground that I used to install the set, so I'll just point them out to you real quick. This is an impact driver. You're going to need that for the set screws. On the rotors, a hammer, of course, a grinder tool. You're going to have to grind some of the OEM backing plate off to fit the Balladesports caliper. A die grinder to get off any old rust from the hub. This is a 3/8 cordless impact, which of course you don't need, but it just makes life easier. A 14mm socket for the OEM caliper bolt, and then a 17mm socket for the OEM caliper bracket bolt. This is a 3/8 ratchet, a couple extensions, and I got two size wrenches for the bleeder screws. The Balladesports bleeder screws are 8mm, and then I used the 10mm for putting on brake lines, the StopTech brake lines that I had. So in your case, if you don't have to do all that, then you'll just be fine with the 8mm wrench. But yeah, I mean, I think it came out great. I love it. I love the color combo. So, you know, if you're an S2000 owner and you want to upgrade your OEM brake system, I would recommend the Balladesports kit. It's reasonable, it's affordable, and a couple great things about this kit. You're able to utilize an OEM rotor, OEM brake line, and it bolts right up to the OEM knuckle. So the only modification you have to do is to trim the backing plate on the top and the bottom for the Balladesports caliper to fit over the rotor. But you are able to use your 17mm OEM bolts, so that's a plus. It does offer a bigger brake pad than an OEM brake pad. So this caliper set actually uses the DC2 Type R brake pad, or the NSX from like 99 to 2002, I believe. So you do have a couple options there. And if you do compare the OEM pad to the ITR NSX pad, you can physically see that there is a bigger difference in the brake pad, so that should help with stopping power as well. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I think it's the best bang for the buck. We're excited to get the car on the ground, road test it, and do some comparisons from stock versus the Ballad. So hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. If there's any other videos you guys want to see, don't hesitate to DM us, Facebook message, or email us, and we'd be happy to throw out a video for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.